Start playing, yeah, recording. Okay, Pete, we're going to test fly your latest airplane here for you. Let's see how she goes. It's going right on. It's the first flight. We'll see how she's going to fly. She flies good or no. Okay?
I don't have to mash anything. It's ready to go.
It's going right now. Up she goes. I need more propeller. This be good for him though.
I can't find it.
Right here, right in front of me, right now.
I see.
Okay, see it now?
Yeah.
I'm gonna fly it back around again. It needs more propeller. But it flies good though, as you can plainly see. I haven't even had to trim it the first thing, little ditty walk to it. So did I do in there good?
No.
It's a very good trainer for him.
I keep losing it.
You should have it in there, honey. Just it should be zoomed and all, but right in front of us, right here. Round and round and round.
Yeah, I get it when it comes in front, but then I lose it.
You're a very good trainer for him, right? I gotta change the prop on it is all. Here it comes again around this way. Here he comes, here he goes, there he went. Wee 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 woo! Wee wee woo woo! Down low now. Going down and around. There he goes. Back up. Okay, I'm gonna land him now. Woo. And there he is. Okay. Can I set it up in?
Does this